2. 1. 2 tablespoon lang. Mirin. 1, 2, 3. Sesame. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Half tablespoon ng tunghano. Dashi. 1, 2.
Add dashi to the rice, right? Dashi. Tashi.
Then 100 ml water. Next pan. Yung kind of fish na gagamitin nyo, pwedeng cod, pwedeng sea bass. Then we put into wrap in the fridge for just 30 minutes. Para lang ma-sip niya yung ginawa natin
Working moms hustle miles across the sea, building up a dream for the family, sharing all the sights and the sweetest recipes, spreading out the love to the communities in every single dish and whatever we do. Nasa puso ang pagtulong, and that's for you. Oh, basta kay Chef Jinky, siguradong happy, good food, good vibes. It's the perfect recipe from the New York streets to your screen at home with a giving heart. You're never alone. Yeah, basta kay Chef Jinky, siguradong happy. Siguradong happy. Come and join the fun. Siguradong happy. Bright lights, big city, taking on the day.